phone charging but battery going down. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can solve if our phone is actually charging but the battery is still going down. So make sure to stick with me till the end. So if you've plugged in your cable or your charger to something, and then if it's charging but it's going down, make sure that you're not connecting it to a computer and that you are connecting using a charging cable, charging dock, and to a power supply, because most of the times we try to connect it to computer, that is when the voltage that your laptop sends you is not enough for your phone to charge. The other is make sure that you are using the correct dock depending upon the watt that your phone supports. Now my phone, which is my Samsung S20 Plus, actually supports 25 watts of charging. So if I charge with a 15-watt charger, then obviously that is going to be very slow. I have to charge with a 25-watt charger. Depending upon which phone you use, you have to simply search for your respective watts. It could also be that sometimes your battery or your port could actually be damaged. So the charging port of your phone that you use to charge could basically be damaged. In that case, you have to take it to a repair center. And last but not the least could be your charger or your cable issue. Try using a new charger and a new cable to see if that helps you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.